Understanding, drop a class, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, drop a class. This is a common term used in educational contexts, especially in colleges and universities. Understanding this phrase will help you navigate academic conversations with ease. Let's dive in. The phrase, drop a class, refers to the action of unenrolling or withdrawing from a course that you have previously registered for in a school or university setting. It's important to note that this is different from simply missing classes. Dropping a class is an official process and usually involves notifying the school or instructor. Students may choose to drop a class for various reasons. These can include finding the course too challenging, schedule conflicts, a change in academic focus, or personal reasons. It's a decision taken to better manage one's academic workload or personal circumstances. Dropping a class typically involves a few steps. First, students need to consult their school's policy on dropping courses. This often includes deadlines and specific forms to fill out. It's crucial to understand the implications of dropping a class, such as how it affects your academic record or tuition fees. A common misconception about dropping a class is that it's the same as failing. However, dropping a class usually doesn't affect your GPA, unlike failing a course. Another misconception is that you can drop a class at any time, but most institutions have strict deadlines for this. Dropping a class is a normal part of the academic journey and, when done correctly, can help students manage their courses more effectively. Remember, it's always best to consult with academic advisors before making such decisions. We hope this video has been informative, and we wish you the best in your academic endeavors.